Hi guys, and welcome back to the mess of my garage. We're going to do a little job today, a little upgrade on the T5 again, and this one here is very, very simple. Well, I hope it's very, very simple. It's a gas shock for the bonnet. So we just got it from a company called Travel Light, I think they're called. Travelling Light. And it cost, how much did it cost? It cost £13.50. So it was quite cheap. And I don't know about you, but I get fed up. I've only had it a few weeks, and I'm already getting fed up with putting the stay down for the bonnet. So we're going to go and do that now. Should be easy, I hope. We're Mark and V, and this is our adventures. So basically it comes with the gas shock and two nuts with the ball heads to mount your shock to. So we'll go and have a look. You'll need to do this job. I think you're just going to need a 12mm spanner. Let's go and find out and see how easy it really is. Well, it looks pretty easy actually. Looks like there's a mount there and there's a mount there. Bring you in a bit. So it looks like one there and one there. This could be the easiest upgrade ever, can it? How easy is that? God, that is so simple. Well guys, that's money well spent. Let's see how we get the old one out. There we are. And that's what it's shaped like. So you just turn it around that way, get it to that point, and then turn it that way. Simple. How much easier is that? Pop the bonnet. Come round. Oh, brilliant. Well, what an easy trick that was. Love that. Like I said, that cost me £14.50. Well, if you enjoyed the video, give the video a like. And if you want to see more tips and tricks on the T5, subscribe to the channel, but there's lots more as well. Camping, travelling, all sorts of bits and pieces. Anyway, look forward to seeing you in the next video, guys. Look after yourselves. See you later. Bye.